So welcome back aliens, I'm Navin Reddy from Thariskar Learnings, and in this video we'll talk about why you should use Linux if you are getting into IT world. To understand this, let's go back in year 2004 or 5. At that time, every machine was powered with Windows, right? So in fact, in desktop we used to use Windows. In fact, when I started my first computer, maybe in my college or school, the first thing which I saw is Windows XP loading. I mean, can you imagine that? The first thing we have seen is Windows, right? So that's why we all are using Windows, and we thought in future every device will be based on Windows, mobile device also. But then things changed. Right now we are using Android, right? So in 85% of mobile devices are based on Android, and Android works on Linux. So indirectly we are using Linux. But then why people don't use Linux for desktop? Because they have one misconception, and that misconception is Linux is difficult to use. Not exactly. The problem is Linux is not difficult. It's just that Linux is not familiar. We are familiar with Windows and we know how Windows works because we are born with Windows, right? But the moment you are working on Ubuntu, or maybe any Red Hat distro for that matter, or any Linux distro for that matter, if you are working on Ubuntu or Fedora, what happens is they have a different way of working compared to Windows. And then we're comparing it, we always compare. In Windows we have drives, we have C drive, E drive, D drive, and in Ubuntu we don't have those things, right? They have a different directory structure. So it is easy to use, it's just that we are not familiar. If you spend at least 1 week with Ubuntu, you will love it. It's just that we don't try, right? So you should try using Linux. But why now? Why not, why I have not created this video way back, or why not everyone is forcing you to use it? There are multiple reasons, there are multiple advantages of using Linux now. First thing is everyone is moving to open source. In fact, all the companies or all the government institutes now, they are moving to open source. Especially in India now, all the colleges, all the government offices, they were using Windows before. But now even they are moving to Ubuntu. So CDAC in India have created their own OS called as BOSS OS, which is BOSS. So it is based on Ubuntu. It's a Ubuntu flavor, and that is based on Linux. Right? So somewhere in future, every college, every university, every government organization will be using Ubuntu. So if you don't know Ubuntu, then who should know it? Right? So it's time for us to start learning Linux, or start working on Linux. So that's the first thing. The second thing is people are moving to the cloud servers, right? So in fact, mobile devices, we went from smartphone, Windows phone to Android phone now. In fact, if you talk about Android phone, if you talk about iPhone, they all are based on somewhere they are related to Linux, right? So if you are in future, we will be using the cloud OS. So in fact, Google has their own cloud OS now, and all the cloud platform, even AWS, they are using Linux for their servers. So in future, if you are focusing on cloud OS, 90% chances are there that will be based on Linux. Only Windows Azure platform, which is made by Microsoft, is using Windows. Other than that, everyone is using Linux. By any means, I'm not saying Windows is bad. It's just that we have used Windows, right? And as a programmer, you should have experience on all different platforms. Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. It's just that Mac OS depend upon your budget. If it's not in your budget, ignore that. We are focusing on Windows and Linux, right? So since we are moving towards cloud and every cloud platform is based on Linux, we should know Linux. But then you will say, okay, the moment when we move to cloud, we will learn Linux. It doesn't happen that way. Using OS should be your internal part. If you start using Linux now, then you will get that habit, Linux will be inside you. Example, when you talk about Windows, we know everything about Windows, right? How to use this, how to use that, how to go to control panel. So no one has taught at Windows, we should do this, we should do this. We have explored it in this 5 to 6 years, or maybe 10 years. If you start using Linux now, in future, since you are using Linux from a long time now, you will get that you will know the internal part of Linux, how exactly it works and how to work with commands. So all those things. So try to work on Linux and try to also explore different commands. The thing is, as a programmer, you will be exposed with different technologies like GitHub, like Hadoop, and all these frameworks, they were made for Linux. And then they were supported on different platforms like Windows or Mac OS. Everything which starts, they all start with Linux. Or I mean, all the technologies nowadays, GitHub, Git, then we have Hadoop, then we have Spark. They started on Linux and then they've moved to different technologies. So if you know Linux, how to use Linux, so there's a high probability that you can use these technologies. Right? So start exploring on Linux, and now it's not that difficult, okay? Trust me, it's not that difficult. Just go to Google, download Ubuntu, and go to YouTube, search for the steps, how to install Ubuntu, and you're done with it. And if you can spend 1 week, trust me, you will love Ubuntu. Now, in fact, there is one more advantage of using Linux. The first advantage is it's free, okay? Windows you have to buy. I don't know, no one buys Windows in India, but then Windows you have to buy, right? If you're going for the real version or the original version, you have to buy Windows. Linux is free. The second thing is, if you are using Linux and if you have a slow machine, maybe dual core machine or core machine, Linux will work faster than Windows. In fact, if you are an Android developer and if you use Android Studio, try Ubuntu. It will work much faster than Windows machine. Okay, so try it out. Try out different distros of Linux and get ready for your future. Because in future, everyone, maybe more maximum people or maximum OS will be based on Linux. So it's time to explore. Thank you so much for watching and do subscribe.